So we have our basic packaging and handling for delivery of food under the circumstances of the COVID pandemic. A large box such as this can hold up to 25 of these clamshells. You get your main entrees, you get your starch, and you get your vegetables. A normal catering event, they would come through and they'd get a hot plate meal out the window, and it's handed to them, and then they go through and they self-serve their salad bar and desserts, and then they come out in the dining hall. Here it's all packaged and handled and put into boxes for the purposes of delivering it to them. The cooking and the prep of the salad bar area is virtually the same. It's when it comes time to packaging it into the container. The amount of packaging and handling is tremendous. You're adding about 2/3 labor just to package and handle it and put it in boxes for them to take it out. Counting and putting in bags, monitoring, making sure everybody gets their portion that they're due.